the power went out at our house and the child lock feature on our microwave was enabled again once we repowered it up. For example, if I press 1 second cook, it's done. The lock feature is on. Can't open it. I have to unlock it to get it open. I looked online and there was a couple suggestions. Press stop, reset 3 times within 10 seconds, or the defrost, timer, popcorn suggestion, but it wouldn't work. Start it. It's locked. I will try the defrost, timer. Well, it doesn't allow you to press the timer button. So what I found does work is manually unlock it, open it, close it, and now do the sequence. Turbo defrost, timer, popcorn. It is now disabled again. That's the key.